Are you thinking about becoming a freelancer but not sure where to start? Before you jump in, let's talk about the must-have tools and setup you need to work efficiently and land your first client. Number 1, a reliable laptop or PC. You don't need the most expensive setup, but a decent laptop or desktop with at least an i5 processor and 8 GB RAM will help you handle tasks smoothly. Para sa akin, ang prefer ko ay ang PC instead of laptop. Kasi, aside sa mas mura siya, mas madali pa siyang i-upgrade later kapag meron ka ng budget for hardware upgrade. Pwede kang bumili ng laptop later kapag marami ka ng client for backup during power shortage. Dati, nung nagsisimula pa lang ako, umutang muna ako ng PC Ryzen 3 kasi yun lang ang kaya ng budget ko. Sa katagalan at pinalad and first client ko ang nag-fund ng hardware upgrade ko, even ang mga repairs and maintenance. Number 2, a stable internet connection. Freelancing is all about working online, so a stable internet connection, at least 10 megabits per second, is a must. No client wants lagging Zoom calls. Mas okay kung ang Wi-Fi connection ninyo ay wired like PLDT DSL or fiber kisa pocket Wi-Fi or piso Wi-Fi. Believe me, clients are very particular when it comes to communication. Number 3, a good quality microphone and headset. Clear communication is key. Invest in a noise-canceling headset or a separate microphone for professional calls and voice recordings. Mas prefer ko ang non-voice, but kung nasa application stage ka pa lang, hindi talaga maiiwasan na may mga client na magre-request ng Zoom call, so better prepared. Number 4, a quiet and comfortable workspace. Having a distraction-free workspace boosts productivity. Even a small, dedicated corner can make a big difference. Malaki ang maitutulong ng solemn na paligid kasi mas makakapag-isip ka ng mabuti at makakapag-concentrate sa work. Number 5, essential software and tools. Depending on your niche, you might need Microsoft Office or Google Docs for writing and admin work, Canva or Photoshop for graphic design, Zoom and Skype for meetings, Trello or Notion for project management. Sa mga nagsisimula pa lang, importante na i-identify muna ninyo kung anong klase niche or work ang gusto ninyong tahakin. When I entered freelancing, I am certain na graphic designing ang gusto ko. In the long run, gusto ko na rin ng ibang niche like lead generation, research, project management, and many more. Maraming skills, meaning maraming job opportunities. And number 6, a strong portfolio and payment account. Before applying for jobs, create a simple portfolio showcasing your skills. Also, set up PayPal, Payoneer, or a bank account to receive payments securely. Ang portfolio ay isang compilation na nagpapatunay ng inyong kakayahan. Halimbawa, ikaw ay isang graphic artist. Pwede kang maglagay ng mga samples ng art na ginawa mo. Siguraduhin mo lang na ang mga ito ay free to disclose. May experience kasi ako before na ang mga layout na pinagawa sa akin ng isang client ay private or hindi pwedeng gamitin para portfolio. They even made me sign an NDA form. Ito ay karaniwan, lalo na sa mga malalaking kumpanya. Sa mga research jobs naman or lead generation, pupwede mong gawing portfolio ang mga sample Excel sheets na nagawa mo. Kapag wala ka pang portfolio, pupwede rin naman ang mga certifications o trainings na related sa in-applyan mo ang ilagay mo. Meron akong isa-share mamaya kung saan pwede makakuha ng mga libreng trainings. At tungkol naman sa payment account, bago ka mag-apply ng mga jobs, siguraduhin mo muna na meron ka ng verified na payment account and iwasang gumamit ng peke o alias na pangalan para hindi ka magkaproblema na time na meron ka ng client at magsisend na ng bayad sa payment account mo.
Para sa iba pang kaalaman, i-like and post na ito or even share to your friends. Comment nice para ma-notify sa susunod na posting.